Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize Salesforce Global Search. This is incredibly useful if you want to control exactly what information appears in your search results and which objects your team can search through, making it easier to find the data that matters most to your workflow. Let's start by customizing the search result columns. First, click on the Setup Gear icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. This opens up the administrative controls where you can configure how Salesforce behaves for your organization. Once you're in Setup, look for the Object Manager option near the Home tab and click on it. The Object Manager is where you can access and modify all the standard and custom objects in your Salesforce instance. It's essentially the control center for how your data is structured and displayed. Now, click on the specific object you want to customize. For this example, let's say you want to change how account records appear in search results, so you would click on Account. This takes you to all the settings related to that particular object. Next, navigate to the Search Layout section and click on it. Search layouts control which fields are visible when users search for records, and they're incredibly powerful for tailoring the search experience to match how your team actually works with data. In the Search Layouts page, find the row labeled Search Results. You'll see a drop-down arrow next to the layout name. Click on that drop-down and select Edit. This opens up the layout editor where you can really fine-tune what information shows up in your search results. In the editor, you'll see two columns. One is labeled Available Fields and the other Selected Fields. The Available Fields column shows all the fields you could potentially display, while Selected Fields shows what's currently visible in search results. Simply drag fields from Available Fields over to Selected Fields if you want to add them to your search results. If there are fields you don't want showing up, drag them from Selected Fields back to Available Fields to remove them. This gives you complete control over the information your users see at a glance when they search. Once you've arranged your fields exactly how you want them, click Save at the top or bottom of the page. Your changes will be applied, and the next time someone searches for that object type, they'll see the columns you just configured. Now, let's move on to changing which objects are searchable using Search Manager. Click back to the Home tab to return to the main Setup page. In the Quick Find box on the left side, type Search Manager. This is the tool that controls the underlying search behavior across your entire Salesforce org. Click on Search Manager when it appears in the results, then look for Query Configurations and click on it. Query configurations let you define custom search experiences for different user profiles, which is perfect if different teams need access to different types of data. Click the New button to create a fresh query configuration. You'll be prompted to set up the basic details of this configuration. In the Name field, type a descriptive name for this configuration. Choose something that clearly identifies what this search setup is for, like Sales Team Search or Support Search Config. This makes it easier to manage multiple configurations down the line. Next, in the Search Type dropdown, select Einstein Global Search. This ensures that your configuration applies to the main global search bar that users interact with every day across Salesforce. Now you'll need to select which profile this configuration applies to. Click on the Profile dropdown and choose the user profile that should use this search configuration. Remember, different profiles can have completely different search experiences based on their needs. Click Save and Continue. At this point, Salesforce will take you to a more detailed configuration screen where you can fine-tune exactly which objects and fields should be searchable under this configuration. Take your time here, select the objects that make sense for the profile you're configuring. For example, if you're setting this up for a sales team, you might prioritize accounts, contacts, opportunities, and leads. If it's for support, you might focus on cases and knowledge articles. After you've selected all the relevant objects and fields, click Save one more time to finalize everything. Your custom search configuration is now active, and users assigned to that profile will experience search exactly the way you've designed it. And there you have it. You've successfully customized Salesforce Global Search to display the right columns and make the right objects searchable for your team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.